So what if I told you that you can promote your business for free and can reach out many customers or possible customers that can avail your product or services? Yes guys, for today's video, isa ito sa mga topic na gusto kong i-share with you guys on how I did use a video marketing just to promote my product for free. And I'm not paying any advertisement, ads, fee, and I'm not even paying a Facebook ads, TikTok ads, or even YouTube ads to promote my business. This is simply about video content creation, and it can also be evergreen for your business. Now let's talk about what is an evergreen, meaning that video can stay up very long as the video is not being turned down, being put into private, they are always in public, and it's not being deleted. Now let me show you how I did it. Hi, my name is Val and I am a momtrepreneur. In this channel, I'm sharing negotiation tips and creative ways on how to do business. I'm also sharing here an insights of how does it looks like to work as a business on the side and a full-time working mom. If those are the kind of content that you are interested in, so please be sure to subscribe, and of course don't forget to like this video. For today's video, we will be talking about how I did a video content creation just to promote my product without even paying any single peso. And we will be covering what are the tools that I am using, what is my main social media that I'm posting the video, and of course what are my strategy in doing this. So let me tell you a short story guys. Back in 2013, I worked with someone who owns a online shop business guys. Website developer business, and he's actually a foreigner and building that business here in the Philippines. I work at the back end like an admin and also like a customer service and a project manager. And what really strikes me that I would really never forget about what he said is that he mentioned that video content will be the future of a business. Sabi niya na kapag pinut up mo into video content yung business mo, it will attract customers daw, and it will be that kind of trend will not going to slow down. It will always gonna be something to be a trendy in the future. And fast forward, it's 2024 na guys. It is actually Christmas Day, so Merry Christmas while I'm filming this. So kung may naririnig kayo dyang mga paputok, please do excuse because I'm filming this while ongoing yung Pasko. So going back to the video guys, yes, fast forward nga guys, 2024 na tayo ngayon. So it's like 1 decade has been passed, and if I go back to what he mentions about video content creation, it becomes in demand na ngayon. Bakit? Kasi most of the products and services are into video content na, while where they show their product, where they show their services, and even if you're gonna be doing in the TikTok affiliate guys, selling the products has been in the video, diba? Before, if you can remember, in the Shopee, walang video content, plainly about the pictures and also the reviews before you can buy that product. But now that we have the TikTok, even just nagsaswipe lang kayo up and down, you just see the product na parang pinopromote ng isang affiliate or di kaha ng business owner, napapabili tayo. So it actually attracts customers when you're doing a video content creation. Now, how are you going to do this? First, you're gonna need to choose what is the social media you wanted to focus on. For me guys, I am focusing on the YouTube mismo. Bakit? Because YouTube will never ever put down your video unless if you wanted to do so. That's one. Number two, YouTube is being owned by Google. So I wanted to make sure that my video that I am creating is in high SEO. Kasi the moment that people are searching the keyword on that video, my video will be recommended by YouTube na, hey, yung na-research mo na keyword can be relatable to this video. Let's say for example, yung cash flow tracker ko, I'm actually making sure na SEO friendly siya. So by the time na ita-type in siya ni researcher guys na cash flow tracker in Google, immediately yung unang makikita nila yung mga videos. And once they click that, or it could be redirect to the YouTube, my video will also be recommended by YouTube. So that's one. We will be talking more about that later on guys, so be sure to stick around. Number two is you need to have tools to use. One is the main key factor talaga dito is yung video quality and audio quality guys. it actually doesn't matter if sobrang ganda ng setup mo, as long as it can show you the very good quality of your video and audio. Actually nga, I've seen someone like a YouTuber na sabi niya, it really doesn't matter about the video quality as long as yung quality ng audio mo is very clear, kasi yan yung una-una daw makakatch ng isang audience. I think I would agree on that as well. Kasi by the time that I was using this microphone, guys, it provides a better quality of my audio. And the moment I use this, your microphone na yun, parang mas gumaganda yung content ko, mas maraming nanonood, kasi nga mas nagiging clear yung ano ba yung mensahe gusto kong ibahagi sa kanila. Turn off ko muna yung messenger kasi nadidistract ako, guys. Sorry. Now, if you notice, guys, kahit nga parang unboxing lang ng ginagawa mo, but gumagawa ka ng voice over which is very clear yung messaging mo on that video, then you're in the good spot. Now, let me go back pala sa topic na choose the social media you wanted to focus on. Bakit mas gusto ko si YouTube compared ni Facebook Reels or di kaya ni IG Reels or ni TikTok? One is that yung Facebook Reels and IG Reels, as I did my research, guys, one of the content creator mentioned na kapag hindi daw well-performing yung video mo or like matagal na siyang upload at walang masyadong parang traction or traffic on that video, yung ginagawa talaga daw ni Meta is nilo-low quality niya yung mga video na yun. So, when I go back talaga to review all of our Reels videos, mga 2 years and 1 years ago, guys, I've noticed na talaga nadi-distort, parang low quality talaga. It's because Meta is saving storage. Meta is, I think, saving some data para hindi siya masyadong mapikat sa, I don't know, database siguro nila. I don't know the right term. Maybe that's the right term, guys. So, yung mga not well performing na videos, parang low quality lang nila para hindi siya masyadong palaki yung kain. So, kapag the longer or the older the video that is in your Reels, parang is not a good chance din na magka-create siya ng mga good new viewers din, kasi wala parang for real time lang siya na dapat mag-pop up. Unlike with YouTube, guys, kahit gaano pa yan katagal na in-upload mo, like 2 years or 1 year, goods pa rin yung quality. And what's good about it, kahit matagal na yung mga video ninyo, guys, nare-recommend pa rin siya ni YouTube pag alam niya na, siguro let's say for example, mga 3 months ago na upload mo na, 6 months na ago mo na upload, pero parang biglang nag-viral lang siya or di ka may spike because YouTube is recommending this. Like, okay, good yung content ng video nito, merong mga traction, so let me keep promoting it. So, si YouTube yung ginagawa niya, it keeps promoting your video, recommending, by the way, that's the right term, recommending your video to the right people. Unlike with Facebook Reels and IG Reels, parang yan lang, stop ka lang dyan. Na tip number 3, guys, is to make your video an evergreen. Like, you need to make sure that your content has a good hashtags and SEO. Why? Kasi ito yung magbabahagi ni internet or ni AI na, yung content ko pala, it's about video content creator. Yung content na video ko to, it's all about business owner or tips about business. So, it will keep promoting. So, the moment na nasi-search mo yan sa search box, whether it's Google or in the YouTube, parang nafi-feed mo yung internet. Ano ba yung hinahanap mo? If you notice, guys, when you search something in Google, if you go back to Facebook, or parang na-research mo na siya sa Google, nakuha mo na yung information mo, but pag bumalik ka sa mga social media mo, like Facebook, TikTok, or di kaya sa IG mo, may biglang magpa-pop up na same or related ng bagay na na-research mo or na-search mo sa Google. Let's say, for example, magsi-search ako ni Google na about the latest iPhone 16, blah, blah, blah. So, nakuha ko na yung details, ha. Pero, pag bumalik ako sa Facebook ko, lahat na lang na nasa feed ko are related to iPhone 16. Kasi nga, nafi-feed mo kasi si AI na or si internet na yun yung hinahanap mo. Tapos, yung mga content na related to iPhone 16 are being recommended to you or being feed to you because yun nga yung sinasabi mo ni AI na ito yung hinahanap ko, bigay mo siya sa akin. So, ganun yung flow. So, make your video high in SEO, high in hashtags, makes it proper hashtags so that the AI or the internet would know na okay, ito yung video mo, ito yung content mo. Pag may naghahanap, bibigay ko sa kanila yung video mo kasi ito nga yung information na meron kang na-share sa akin. Kasi guys, yung internet, very smart. Kahit anong i-feed mo dyan, alam na alam niya. Kaya nga, you need to make sure na yung video mo are relatable to, just make sure na yung video mo, alam ni AI kung ano yung content. So, by providing the right title, by providing the description, talagang makukuha nila yung information na kailangan nila para, again, once audience or researcher would search the keywords, your video will come up. So, kahit gaano pa katagal na upload mo na yung video mo dyan sa YouTube, guys, nandyan at nandyan pa rin yan. I-recommend ni YouTube as long as alam ni YouTube kung anong klaseng video yan. So again, it should be in the title and it should be also in the description. Now, if you need help on how to construct your video title and with the tags and hashtags, use TubeBuddy. I'm not actually a paid I'm not being paid to promote TubeBuddy, but again, I've also used TubeBuddy long before kasi free pa siya talagang free pa siya before, but ngayon merong limitation na siya. Limited na yung mga keywords, but if you have extra fee, extra money to invest on that, then go ahead. But for now, it's meron lang siyang limitations on some research na kailangan mong gagamitan. Now, let's say naman if you wanted to use TikTok. The same way with the TikTok, guys, with FB Reels and IG Reels, you still have to feed the internet on what kind of video you have. With the TikTok naman, guys, if you notice, parang ano na din siya, search engine tool kasi pag may isi-search ka sa kanilang search box is makukuha mo rin yung information na kailangan mo. So, if you notice, if you search about cavities, parang mayroon siya maikling Wikipedia na nag-explain on what is that, and then below that will be the content about videos. So, in our business, guys, I am utilizing the video content through our Reels. Mostly if you visit our FB page, talaga yung content namin, it's more on the video, no? Kasi parang mas makaka-visualize talaga yung mga audience once they see the video, behind the scenes, or any information that, it will feed what they really want. Now, the video really helps a lot in promoting your business. Make sure also to create value with your video now. Like, it should be, is it a tutorial? Is it informative video content? So, that kind of content. And now, that's it, guys. If you feel that this video is very helpful to you, I want you to please comment down sa baba kung ano yung mga questions you wanted to have clarity, and also make sure to like and share this to your friends and family, because the moment that you like this video and share this to your family, you are feeding again the YouTube algorithm na okay yung video content ko, and they will also be promoting it to some people like you who is looking for this kind of content. So be sure to subscribe, like, and share so we can grow and we can reach more people like you. Yun na nga, guys. Yun yung mga simple ways. Yun na a few tips that I can share about video content. Be sure to subscribe if you want to know more. For more tips on growing your business, please comment down below what's your business and what video ideas you want to try next. Again, remember, guys, with the right video and content strategy, one video can change everything. So thank you so much, and I will be seeing you on the next video, guys. Bye-bye!